Do you wanna ride horse?
Evil's gentle on my mind. I made a big hit with that. I made a bunch of money, and it gave him the freedom to do whatever he wanted the rest of his career. He did many things.
Hi, 15? 15, three of us? Okay. Go right on up. Move over there. Whose water is this?
I can take my water.
Ah, okay. Thanks. Look, there's more space at the back. More. Want some more?
Stop me.
It happens.
Like this much again.
That's okay. Hi.
Okay.
Whoa, man. Whoa.
Compress.
Not that way.
Oh, there's more space over there.
It's not my hair. That's not my hair. Thank you for that. Ready, Brian?
Yeah. Go.
The horse over there. Michael and Dion riding a horse. The horse is turning left. Yes.
Pretty cool. Yeah, there's the lights up there.
That's the traffic light.
Whoa, man.
Oh, yeah.
Don't come down here. They can just stay where they're at, huh? Yeah,
Another
those are big
light.
lights.
Wow, big light.
She saw a spider. It was a wolf spider.
Yeah? I don't like
It was
spiders either.
furry, and when Brianna was trying Pilar with their shoe, we were both screamed, and Dad was like, "What's going on tonight?"
I saw this guy named Mohammed Panjwani when I was in training in the army. He was in training with me, and he ate a tarantula that was alive. Like, literally.
I would throw up if I saw it.
It was crazy.
Spider. I didn't see a
No, he did it just to like show everybody that like he would do it.
That's another light.
It was gnarly. I don't think it was worth it because the drill sergeant made him do exercises for a long time. Like, you're gonna work off all them carbs.
Yes, that's the traffic lights. Hello. That's traffic lights, Michael.
Yeah.
Yes.
I swallowed a fly before.
Oh yeah? You want to know a secret? You could take a hair and pluck it out, and then take a fly and like freeze it in the freezer, and because they're cold-blooded, they'll like slow down and they'll stop and it'll look like they're dead, but really they're alive. Take it out of the freezer, really quickly tie that hair around it, and then when it comes back alive, you'll have a fly on a lasso. On a leash. It'll sit there and fly around like
There's
while
a
it's on the
horse.
hair. Like it's
It's a horse, Dion.
Why are you not gonna go?
Because then you have a little pet.
What a pet.
Yeah, a little pet fly.
Ooh.
They never had pet fly?
I don't like.
Pet fly.
Oh,
I don't like. But I like holding ants.
Huh?
I could hold like.
I don't like
I could
Yeah.
hold 20 ants in my hand.
Oh yeah? I could fit over 20 grapes in my mouth. Don't try it, because like, I didn't realize until after the fact that it was a very serious stroking hazard.
Yeah.
I like strawberries with chocolate.
Yeah? I like strawberries with sugar on it.
Sugar.
Yeah?
And I like it with
Do you know what fondue is? Fondue is a fancy way of saying melted chocolate. So like, you take the chocolate, melt it, the fondue way, and then you can like dip your strawberries in the chocolate and it'll make a shell around it.
Like a chocolate covered strawberry.
Yeah. And then like, if you really want to get creative, you take a
You're not gonna
cupcake
fall like
cup and you fill up the bottom with the fondue, and then you let it harden, and then you put the Reese's peanut butter
it
from the
looks
store.
like a Reese's.
Yeah, and you fill it the rest of the way, and it's a Reese's. It's a giant Reese's.
And you're like, hey guys, I made my own Reese's peanut
A
butter.
big cup, yeah.
Right up there.
Yeah,
You
super
gotta
cool,
put
huh?
a-
That light right there.
You gotta put another one on top of it so it doesn't melt.
Yeah, very true.
And put it in there.
You would be really good at this, wouldn't
Ah.
you? Yeah, and miniature golf.
Hello.
You know we're pretty.
We are in the stoplight.
So what are the horses'
Hello.
With Jake and Rose.
Stop sign.
Close to my dog's face.
Sit down, please. Thank you. Yeah, it's my Jake. Goddamn wagon.
Big horse.
Just up to that next block there. You already know the ropes. Wow! See, good thing you came down. Never.
If they were fast, we would be falling off.
Yeah? If I was a millionaire, I would have this be my bed and I'd go to sleep on it every night. Ride around it. It'd be cool. That's the fancy stuff.
I wanna, not a bunk bed.
Yeah?
Trundle bed. No, I
A
have.
hammock. It's like a swing bed. It's what they use down in like the Caribbean
But
and stuff.
you took like, if there's like 2 trees almost together,
Yes,
and
that
then
is
you
a
took
hammock.
like a little branch and you put the strings on it, and then
There you go. There you go.
We are in the stoplight. Again and again.
There we go.
And go. Woo! We are turning.
Here we go.
Turning left.
Left turn, boys.
Whoa! Turn, turn. A sharp turn. There's a cars.
on the Halloween picture. My favorite Halloween movie is Pennywise.
Whoa. Okay. I don't even watch that stuff. My favorite Halloween movie is Monster House, yo.
Monster.
I love them. I love them.
Oh, we cause traffic.
You want to know a real scary movie?
Annabelle.
Ernest Goes Halloween.
I watch Annabelle. I watch.
It's a crazy movie. It's scary, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, no.
Oh, okay, fine.
My favorite movie is Venom.
Yeah? Venom? That is a super cool movie.
He's being Venom for Halloween.
Yeah?
That's what I'm being.
What?
I watched Cruella de Vil, the second one.
Uh-huh.
And I'm being Cruella.
Turn
Oh, wow.
And I will blow up Dalmatian. And
Yeah?
Turn around,
I'm
yes.
gonna use it for Halloween.
I would call that.
I saw a werewolf.
Yeah?
It's just like Caramel.
Yeah?
I
Huh.
saw a werewolf costume.
A little white poop?
I saw apparently last year my 3-year-old sister was Little Red Riding Hood.
That's wild. It's not going to, right? All right.
If it does, I'm grabbing one of you guys. Going on.
Grab him. I'm not grabbable.
Right, you want some more of this Sprite? It's about to be done. Get the water down. Right, you want a drink?
Hang on tight.
I grabbed my brother's.
Good thing you guys are sitting down being good, huh? Good job.
Why am I holding your drink?
I know, but I don't want to hold it because I don't want to spill and get it all over everything. And then I'll make it your fault.
Hey, if you spill, it's your fault, young lady. Especially if you spill it on me, then it's totally your fault.
The Halloween movie is Sam.
Ooh,
Yeah?
traffic.
It's really nice.
Huh.
You like all Marvel.
I like Star Wars. That's my only favorite Marvel movie.
I don't know if it's Marvel, but it's an okay movie.
Yeah, it's not Marvel.
Nowadays, Disney does have Star Wars stuff.
Yeah, I think they
I feel like you're paparazzi.
Yes.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yes. Lady Bees.
do this at Christmas time too.
Feel it.
Yeah. It's pretty. I think they like have it all like the garland and stuff.
Oh, fancy and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
El Jeanette.
You guys ever been in rock, paper, scissors? Pretty cool place.
Rock, paper, scissors.
It's like a kid's toy
That's
store.
where my
Really cool.
friend gets a lot of her
A lot of
puppets.
puppets.
I got two, a unicorn one and a pentagon or something.
Oh, yeah?
At, Old Navy, and then I got the rest at the gas station.
Yeah?
Yeah, they make a lot of money off
Do you know what a dodecagon is? It's like a
We are in the
It's like a-
stoplight.
100-sided flag.
American flag.
Yep.
American flag. Michael. Dion's thirsty.
It's a beautiful day though. We've had a very
a little more breeze.
yes.
But
We've
there
had a
is
really
some-
consistent September so far this year.
What's for dinner?
I haven't gotten that far.
I know what's for dinner. Food. You guys can do what I can do. Go crazy and splurge and make some cuisine, like ramen.
You've ever had
Oh, the horse poop.
Have you ever had ramen?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's the bomb. It'll keep you alive for like a day.
Oh, the horse poop. Oh dear.
There's a golf cart. It's hot.
It's so hot. We need breeze.
That's all I can do.
This is what
Yeah?
that feels better.
You say that with so much pride, like this is my achievement. Good job with your achievement.
And now, whoa! That was hot. And here we are in the fair.
I heard a big splash on the ground.
Holy moly.
We made it. Oh, it's bumpy. Oh,
We survived.
yes, we are here finally. We're back.
Yep.
Wow, that's Pikachu.
We go to there.
Okay, Kenzie, let's go finish your ride.
And let's go find Gracie.
Okay, I'll find Gracie. Give me that honest thing.
There we go. We're done. Go down. Oh my
Let me go
goodness.
down first and then I'll get you, okay?
Oh, go. Michael's turn. Get down. There you go. Ah, yeah. Oh, we're gonna get a water over there. Let's go.